In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DocuSign error codes quickly and easily using a simple step-by-step troubleshooting process. If you've ever tried to send, sign, or manage an envelope and suddenly received an error message, don't worry. Most DocuSign error codes can be resolved in just a few minutes using the exact methods I'm about to show you. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you should do when you see a DocuSign error code is refresh and retry. This might sound basic, but many DocuSign errors happen because of temporary session timeouts or small connection glitches. While you're on the DocuSign page, simply click the refresh button in your browser or press Ctrl-R on Windows or Command-R on Mac. Once the page reloads, try the action again, whether that's opening the envelope, sending the document, or adding recipients. If the issue was caused by a temporary loading problem, this alone may fix it. If refreshing doesn't solve the problem, move to step 2, which is logging out and logging back in again. Session conflicts are one of the most common causes of DocuSign error codes. To do this, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of DocuSign, then select Log Out. Once you're fully logged out, close the browser tab completely. Then open a new tab, go back to apps.docusign.com, and sign in again with your credentials. After logging back in, try performing the same action that caused the error. In many cases, resetting your session clears the issue immediately. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to verify that the envelope or document actually exists and is in the correct status. Sometimes error codes appear because the envelope has been deleted, completed, voided, or expired. To check this, go to your DocuSign dashboard and navigate to the Manage tab. Search for the envelope by name or recipient. Look at the status column carefully. If it says completed, voided, or expired, that explains why you can't edit or resend it. If it was deleted, you may need to recreate and resend the document. Confirming the envelope status often reveals exactly why the error is happening. Step 4 is to try using Incognito mode, or a different browser entirely. Browser extensions, cached data, and stored cookies can sometimes interfere with DocuSign. To test this, open a new Incognito window in Chrome or a private window in Firefox out Edge. Then go to apps.docusign.com and log in again. Try repeating the same action. If the error disappears in Incognito mode, the issue is likely related to your browser cache or an extension. In that case, you can clear your browser cache and cookies, disable extensions one by one, or switch to another browser for a quick fix. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, you should check DocuSign's system status. Occasionally, error codes are caused by platform-wide outages or maintenance updates. Open a new tab and search for DocuSign status page. On the official status page, you'll be able to see if there are any ongoing incidents affecting sending, signing, or account access. If there's an outage, the best solution is simply to wait until DocuSign resolves the issue. Most service disruptions are fixed quickly. So to quickly recap, first, refresh and retry. Second, log out and log back in. Third, verify the envelope status. Fourth, try Incognito or a different browser. And fifth, check DocuSign system status. These 5 steps will solve the vast majority of DocuSign error codes without needing advanced technical support. I hope this guide helped you fix your DocuSign error quickly. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.